Okay, the next thing that I want to cover is your finger names. This is your first finger, or your pointer, index finger I call it, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. Thumb, it's very simple. Index or pointer finger, middle, ring, pinky. Okay, and then we have the frets. So anything in this area here would be fret number 1. Anything in this area here is fret number 2. The first dot is usually fret number 3, fret number 4, fret number 5. And it just keeps going. 6, 7, all the way up until the 12th fret. Now, you might remember if you did the beginner lessons for instruments in general, there is 12 notes in music. That's our musical alphabet. So anytime you see a double dots on a guitar, most of the time that means that it's the 12th fret and the notes start over because there's only 12 notes. Okay, so anyway, that's how you find the number fret. You just count up from the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the double dots. And then everything starts over. So really you're just working from the 12th fret, the first fret to the 12th fret, or actually the open note to the 12th fret. So the first thing I want to show you is the warm-up exercise. And this is more important than any of the other things that you do. For the first 3 minutes you sit down on a guitar, you should do this. Now, I know a lot of the kids, the students I have, will roll their eyes at this because it's kind of boring. But this is designed to make you a better guitar player almost instantaneously. If you play this for 3 minutes every day, maybe 4 days a week, you will get better. I guarantee it, even though it's boring. And the reason for this is because it eliminates mismatches. Mismatches are when you play a note on the guitar, say you play the first fret of the first string, so this bottom string here, and you're supposed to play this note, right? But you accidentally pick the top string above it, and it sounds terrible because it's a mismatch. So the way to get rid of mismatches is to do the warm-up exercise. The warm-up exercise, the way it works is it's one finger per fret. So we're going to do, this finger gets all the first fret, your middle finger gets all the second fret, your ring finger gets all the third fret, and your pinky gets all the fourth fret. Like this. First fret, index. Middle finger, second fret. Ring finger, third fret. Pinky, fourth fret. And then when you get that good, you just go down a string and do it the same way, but on the next string down towards the floor. And it'll take you a while to get it fast enough. But just keep working with it and see if you can get all the way to the bottom string. Now I want avoiding this. This is what a lot of students start to do. You tell me what we're doing wrong. That's right, we're just using one finger. So this finger gets stronger, but these other three stay weak. And we don't want that. We want to get every one of our fingers stronger. So it's, once again, it's one finger per fret. Try that for each string. And I always do, first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret. It's easy to remember that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, index, middle, ring, pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that is the first thing you should do on guitar. That's your warm-up exercise. Then here is our 4-note song. And this will be notated in the notes, beyond the video in the members area. So we're going to play this 4-note song all on the top string here, so the E string, the thickest string. Okay, so I'm going to take my pointer finger, and it's 4 notes, but there's 2 halves to it. So there's 4 notes, and then there's another 4 notes. So the first 4 notes, I break it into the halves. The first 4 notes are, you take your pointer finger and you put that at the 3rd fret of the top string, and you're going to play that note twice. And Make sure you press hard enough. Then you're going to move up to the 6th fret, which is past the second dot, one past the second dot. Then you're going to go 2 frets higher to the 8th fret. Here's the first 4 notes again. 3, 3, 6, 8. And for now, just use your pointer finger. That's the first half. The second half starts out the same way, but it finishes differently. We're going to play 3, 3 on the top string again, and then 1, 2 on the top string. So once again, here's the first half, the first 4 notes. 3, 3, 6, 8. 3, 3, second half. 1, 2. Then it goes again. 3, 3, 6th fret, 8th fret. 3, 3, 1st fret, 2nd fret. And when you put both the halves together, it's something like this. And this is purposely Mission Impossible. This is to teach you that music is not Mission Impossible. It's actually Mission Possible with an exclamation mark. So I want you to remember that. Anyway, that's your first song. It's 4 notes plus 4 notes. The first 4 notes, 3, 3, 6, 8 on the top string. The second set of 4 notes, 3, 3, 1, 2. So the action steps in this are to practice your warm-up exercise, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each string. And I also want you to do Mission Impossible, which is all on the top string. That again goes 3, 3, 6, 8, 3, 3, 1, 2. Repeat. That's lesson 1, guitar.